Today we're going to look at an organic machine quilting pattern. It's barbed wire. Why is it organic? It's organic because it has very few rules. The design can be changed in various ways to make it suit what you are going to quilt. So it's a very free design. Let's take a look. Here's barbed wire. It's made with straight lines and the letter V. Notice that the mirror of each letter V is not exact. That is part of the design. So this pattern, barbed wire, is stitched with a straight line and then a letter V. Straight line, letter V, straight line, letter V. Notice that the gap between each letter V or barb leaves enough room to stitch alternate barbs for the next column or row. You will see what I mean. Now the next column or row can be any distance we want from the previous. The one rule is that you want the next barb to be in between the previous row or column. Then you come back up and you mirror the design. Again, it does not have to be exact. Do you like the idea of organic machine quilting, where you don't have to mark your quilt? If you can draw a straight line and a letter V, you can stitch this pattern. But practice. You may need to stitch the design vertically or horizontally. I like to try and make designs that are vertical. And the reason for that, on a home machine, it's easier for us to stitch in this direction, bringing the quilt toward us or away, than left to right. Depending upon your machine, you might not have enough space between the needle and the back of the machine. But you have plenty of space behind the machine and plenty of space in front to put the excess part of the quilt. You can start anywhere in the quilt. It's great for a background, it's great for edge to edge, for negative space, for a border or sashing. Many possibilities with this design. Let's see how it's stitched. Are you going to stitch barbed wire? Are you going to practice? I hope so. It's a neat pattern. Like many machine quilting patterns, they don't suit every project. There are some that you can use on multiple quilts and others that are just for that one quilt, and it's a perfect match. I hope this is a design that you can put in your library and that when the time is right, you'll pull it out and use it to make your quilt a great finish. See you in the next video.